Welcome back to StorX. Your inbox contains important conversations, attachments, and records. But what if you could securely back up those emails and restore them whenever you need? In this video, we'll show you how to upload and restore your Google Mail data using StorX quickly, securely, and effortlessly. Let's get started. First, log into your StorX dashboard. From the side navigation bar, go to Backups, and then select Manual Backup. Under Manual Backup, click on Connect to Google Account, select the account that you want to connect, and grant the necessary permission. Once connected, Google Mail will appear on the screen. Click on it. Now, simply select the emails or folders you want to back up. After selecting them, click Upload. StorX will now securely upload your selected emails to decentralized storage. Once you see the success notification, refresh or reload the page to continue. Next, navigate to the Vault section. Open the Google Mail Vault. Here you'll see the emails you previously backed up. To restore your emails, select the emails you want to recover. Choose the Google account where you'd like the emails to be restored, and click Continue. After the confirmation message appears, your emails will be successfully restored back to your Google Mail. And that's it. With StorX, backing up and restoring your Google Mail data is simple, secure, and reliable. Thanks for watching, and thank you for choosing StorX. See you in the next video.